Good day everyone, I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I'm about to analyze for you a Usdjpy. Before I even start, please note that this is not an advice for you to buy or sell this pair, nor it is a signal. Okay, I'm going to start with the monthly report on the Usdjpy. Sorry, not a monthly report, a monthly analysis. Just wait for it to load. When you look at it, it looks as if the Usdjpy has actually broken the upper trend line, and now it's heading for wave 3. This is basically on the monthly chart, but it's going to take some time before we actually reach wave 3. Wave 3 should be sitting around about 138.646, but this is actually in the long term. But when you look at the weekly chart, same thing has happened. Upper trend line has been broken, and we are heading off to wave 3 of wave 3. We're looking at about 134 somewhere there. So wave 3 is considered to be an extended wave, so it's mostly the wave that is longer than the rest. So this is where you should actually make a lot of profit from. Same thing again on the daily chart. We are on wave 3 of wave 3 on the weekly chart. So I can go on and on and on. It's basically going to say the same thing as well on the 4-hour chart. Wave 2 is finished. It's actually finished right in the box. Right in the box. It was wave 2 was finished right in the box, and then it's starting to go up now. We're expecting it to hit wave 3 at 121.855. So let me just be sure. Yeah, somewhere in this area here, between here and here, which is 119 and 124. Somewhere in this area, we should expect wave 3 to complete for Usdjpy. It's not going to happen now. Obviously, it's going to take some time before it actually gets there. And then we go to the isolation approach. What I've just shown you now was actually a harmonic Elliott wave. Now we're going to go to the isolation approach and see what is it telling us regarding the Usdjpy. This is very interesting. Looking at it on the daily chart, what we see here is basically an A, a B, and a C, and it wants to complete a C at 115.161. So what happened was the Usdjpy failed to break this resistance here at 113.820, and these blue lines that you see here are basically indicating a zone which basically states that there are more long contracts in this area here than the short contracts. So there's more people buying here. Those are the people that are actually pushing the Usdjpy to go further up. A close above this resistance on 113.820 should signal upper movement, but we do have a future resistance zone here on the daily chart. So, and basically it's bullish. It's bullish, and on the 12-hour chart it basically says the same thing, because what I got here is basically from this chart area, this side here. So if okay, let me just check here. Yes, this is actually the gold. I just want to check. Okay, Usdjpy in terms of the bear and the bull market, it seems as if the Usdjpy is actually in. The bulls are actually more in control than the bears. Why am I saying that? Because of the indicator, which actually illustrates that since here we had a bear market going on the bull side. If the bear market is going on the bull side, it actually illustrates that more bulls are in control of the market. So there are more buyers in the market currently, and we should expect Euro USDJPY to reach this area here, sitting at 115.161. Yeah, 115.161. So guys, I'll also be releasing my performance record for the past 5 months later on. Do give me a feedback, tell me what you think. But actually the performance record is basically based on the low risk investment. So it's not actually high returns. It was not based on an aggressive strategy. It was basically based on a low risk strategy. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.